Welcome back to Language Mantras. This is TITBITS, session number 17. And today we have an interesting topic that is zero. And do you think this zero has anything to do with love? I mean, zero is equal to love. Is it possible? Soon we'll come back to this issue, but before that, I would like to give a brief introduction first. Zero is a numerical digit, the first whole number. The English word zero is derived from French Zéro, Z-E-R-O, but this E has an acute accent and the pronunciation of R is very difficult. It has something of a gargling sound, but anyway, this Zefiro is a contraction of Venetian Zevero. Venetian means relating to the city of Venice. Very sophisticated people lived there. Their pronunciation differed from the popular Italian pronunciation, that is Zefiro. Now this Zefiro once again comes from an Arabic word that is Cipher or Safira. And this Sifr has a spelling like this: Swad, Fa and Ra. Okay? And you know this word. Perhaps you are very much familiar with a word that is very close to this Sifr, that is Cipher in English. And in fact, Cipher comes from this Sifr. Now, the interesting thing about this zero is, it is believed that the birthplace of this concept of zero was India. And most probably Aryabhatta or Brahamagupta devised the first modern notion of zero or Sunya. Another interesting thing is that the oldest recorded example of zero was found inscribed on a temple wall in Gwalior. So most probably India contributed to mathematics this way, and zero is a quite sizable contribution to mathematics. Although it's zero, Sunya, void, and in postmodern language this is called nada. In spite of that emptiness or nothingness, it has immense impact on modern science. 0 and 1 make up the binary code that gives the main operating mechanism to most computers. And we are interested in the synonyms of 0. There are several names for 0. Let's see, number 1, it is Naught, N-O-U-G-H-T. An archaic spelling is N-A-U-G-H-T, but now it is Naught, mostly used in England. In England, 0 is not that popular. Naught is more popular. And in America, 0 is very much popular. But when it comes to the measurement of temperature, be it England or America, in both the places, it is 0 degrees centigrade. There is no difference. You won't come across the word naught degree centigrade. No, it's always 0 degree centigrade. So next come to number 3, that is O. O is the pronunciation of this symbol. Symbol 0. 0 has a symbol, and this is this one. And it is pronounced as O. So we have O. When we say number especially, suppose I give you my telephone number. I don't believe in this. I will give you a fake number. But when I give you my telephone number, how do I pronounce it? You see, 94053204999. I pronounce this 0 and this 0 as O. It's one of the synonyms of 0. Now come to the next one, nil. Nil, you are very much familiar with nil. Suppose there is a football game between Japan and Korea, and Japan scores 3 goals and Korea cannot do anything. So 3-0 is the score. So Japan wins the game by 3-0 goals. So you know this nil. Nil means 0. That means nothing. Now number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Love. This love actually in tennis, volleyball, when you serve the ball, you say la ball. And it's a good gesture to show love. If you say this love is a relationship, then 2 teams are playing, there must be a kind of good relationship, a hearty relationship. So love is necessary. So you serve the ball with la ball, that's fine. But the thing is not like that. This love is actually a deformation of French l'œuf. L'œuf means the egg. Le means the, œuf means egg. Because an egg is like this. The shape of an egg is like a 0. That's why when you serve the ball, both sides have 0 score, or say 0 point. That's why love means 0 there. Now come to the next one, that is duck. Duck is mostly used in cricket. Here comes the bowler, right hand, over the wicket, bowls on the middle stump. The batsman tries to push the ball on the mid wicket, but the ball got to the upper edge and the fielder didn't make any mistake in holding the ball. He is out for a duck. So this is what is duck. But the full word is duck egg. Normally, duck egg is not said or uttered. There is one more, and I have already told you that Cipher. Cipher actually figure 0. It means mint figure 0. And nowadays it means a code. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 popular words that are used in place of 0. And we have some slang words also, like jip, Z-I-P, jip, then zilch, Z-I-L-C-H, and then scratch, S-C-R-A-T-C-H, etc. So these are the synonyms of 0. Tell me one thing. Can you give me the ordinal number of 0? Ordinal. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. These are ordinal numbers. So what about 0? It will be zeroth. Z-D-R-O-T-H, not 0th. It is zeroth. Or just give 0 the symbol and add th. Again it is zeroth. And I have nothing more to talk about 0 because I am not the relevant person to talk about this 0 and its mathematical or scientific implications. So if you are interested, you have to read books. And there are several books on this 0. I just give you one. If you are interested, you can try it. That is Robert Kaplan, published in 2000. And the name of the book is The Nothing That Is, A Natural History of 0, Oxford University Press. So, this is all that I have to say. And one reminder, please try to subscribe our channel, try to like our videos and write comments. So this much today. Have a nice time. Thank you very much.